welcome to Cards by Kate Fletcher. Today I am unboxing my Papercraft Society box. This is box 7. This is by Helen Griffin, and there has been a massive delay on it because of the current situation. So I'll touch on that more towards the end of the video, but for now I just want to get into unboxing this long awaited box. So I really like the outside of the box. I think it's really pretty. As always, it is foiled, but look at these colours. It looks like someone's watercoloured the top. I love it. So that is the outside of the box. Then when we open the inside, the first thing we have is a message that says, "I am so in love with this box. It's full to the brim with beautiful products and inspiration to get you started." And it's signed off by Helen. So then we've got the wallet of goodies. We have a tissue paper envelope full of nice bits and pieces. And we have a voucher to get a free stamp worth $9.99, which I think is because there was the delay. I'll check that out later actually. Okay, so let's start with the wallet. Now, I don't know what is in here. I don't watch any of the pre-recorded videos that Craft Stash do on these. I literally wait till they come and then I open them. So I'm going to put this aside for 1 second, and I am going, as always, straight to this. This is the bit that I get really excited about. So I really like the colours. On here again it looks watercoloured. Look how pretty it is. Okay, let's see. Don't forget to share your mates with this, and then hashtag Papercraft Society. The gable box can be used for any occasion. How will you decorate it? Okay, so I'm assuming that these make up a gable box. So I will have a go at that later. And then we have like a clover, we have leaves, we have like a tag, I've got some sentiments there. Oh, I get it, it goes that way, look. Okay. So that's the nice thing about Helen's boxes. It generally will make boxes and things. I think the last one made boxes, and I think it also kind of doubled up as like a mini album / journal type thing, if I remember right. So it's just a bit different to all the other boxes because all the other ones are quite cardy, so it's nice to have boxes. So we have those, which I won't open for now. Let's have a look. Oh, look at these pretties. Aren't they lovely? Let's get into these. As you can see, I don't open it before I can film, but I'll tell you a secret while I'm opening this. This came about 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is well past 7 in the evening now, so it has taken a lot of willpower not to peek and not to open it. But look how pretty these are. I really like these papers. So as usual, we normally have 2 of each. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then we've got, oh, that beautiful green, and look, all these spring-like flowers. These are beautiful. That reminds me of wallpaper. That's probably not really going to get there used. Right, well, I like those ones. Not that keen on the stripes, but I like those ones. So that is the papers. Let's see if I can get it all back in before I move to the next section. What I'm going to do as well is in the description for the video, I'm going to leave a code which apparently will get you £5 off if you want to order a box. I don't know if it's this one or not though. And I think it also gives me £5 off my subscription. So if you want to use it, it's there. If you don't, it's not, you know, no big deal. I don't mind. I just thought since they gave it to me, I would share. Right, watercolour brush pen. See, did I not say it looked all watercoloured? And apparently we're on a theme of watercolouring, so that's nice. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Okay, pulls off. That's nice. I'm guessing that's going to untwist somehow. How do you fit it up then? It must untwist, surely. You can see the twisty thing there. Why is mine not untwisting? What am I doing wrong? You have to be able to fill that up, surely. It's not going to go in there. Okay, that's a bit bizarre. I'm obviously doing something wrong. I'll have to have a look at some instructions or something. Or ask someone. Why doesn't that... It looks like it... Look, if I put it... you can see the... I'm calling it twist. Look, there's a join there. Surely this is supposed to come off. Oh, there you go. I was just being really, really dense. So it does unscrew. Okay, I'm guessing that this is made in China and this is the bit that was causing delay, because I don't think it unscrews the way you'd expect it to. I'm not sure. Maybe it's the dies that were made in... Something has definitely come from China in this box, because that is why there was a delay. Anyway, that's the brush pen. Oh look, we have watercolour card. So that's different. We've not had that in a box before. Good, we've got loads, look. Look how much. And it's really good quality as well. 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 sheets. That's actually a nice change, I have to say. I'm just going to slide it in there for now. I'll put it back in the bag later. Right, and this section says, why not experiment with your inks to achieve different effects? So there you go. And the last section, which has the stamps in, says, there are so many techniques for you to try with this stamp set. So let's see what we've got. So handmade with love. We've got flowers that will be good for watercolouring. We have like that ivy or the leaves. To and from. There's like a stitched effect here. A gift for you. So we've got some very taggy stamps. I don't know if they will match up to something in the dies. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, look, there you go. So this one here, you could put that one there inside. That one there correlates to this one here. This big one here is obviously this one, so that's good because it's a matching stamp and die set, so that's really nice. Let's just put the dies back away. So it's a nice set and be nice and easy to watercolour those flowers. Right, let's do away with this temporarily and bring back the tissue paper. Let's see what's in here. I hate it when it rips. I always try to be really careful and it always ends up ripping anyway. So what have we got in here? Okay, we have more inks. Has anybody used these inks? I personally have not used any of these inks for anything. I really need to. Maybe I need to take them out of the boxes because I'm just not using them. I just don't think to reach for them when I'm doing things, so maybe I need to not keep them nicely in the boxes. Right, then we have understanding paper and cardstock weights, so that can go on my keychain with all the other ones. That's quite useful to have. So we have the card. We have more gems. Gems seem to be a pretty standard feature of the Papercraft Society boxes. You always get a decent amount. They are faceted by the looks of things. So we have those. We have the book with lots of inspiration in it. Let's see what else there is. It's an interview with Helen. There's the what comes in your box thing, so you can check it's all there. I would say it is. And then we've got like the inspiration all the way through. So that's good. Okay, anyway, so we've got that. And then we have coordinating cardstock. So let's have a see what colours we have this month. I have to say, the first Helen Griffin box was my favourite of all the boxes that have come so far. So I have high hopes for this one. Oh look, we have some mirror card in silver. We have this, I'd kind of say that's olive green. It's quite nice. We've got this red kind of, I call that kind of Christmassy red actually. And then there's like a peachy colour. And that is everything. Yeah, so that is it. Okay, so that's everything that came in this month's box. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. As I said, I will put the code in the description box that they've given me, and I believe it gives you and me both £5 off a box. So if you want to use it, absolutely feel free. So as I said at the beginning, there was a delay on this box, and it was quite a substantial delay, and it was because of the current pandemic we are all living through, and the whole world is going through it. I've read on the various different forums lots and lots of discussions about this. I think people they have very high emotions at the moment for the many reasons during this pandemic. And I think the way this was handled, with not great communication, to be honest, about what was happening with our boxes, kind of made people quite angry, especially when they then took further payments for the future boxes. Initially, they gave us a free stamp set, which, to be honest, if you're a subscriber to Creative Stamping Magazine, you already had. So they've now also given us £10 to spend at Craft Stash. So I guess this box has only technically cost me £8, because I paid like £18 something for my box. But they've said there's going to be further delays on the next box, but they're already advertising the box after that. So I think people are a little frustrated. To some people, or to be honest, to a lot of us, crafting is keeping us sane, and it's nice to get these boxes with the product in, and it's something we look forward to. So although, yes, there's a lot other stuff going on in the world, I think crafting is a lifeline to some people, and it keeps us occupied, and it helps with our mental health. To be honest, the communication could have been better. I think, if I'm honest, they should, if people are on subscription pay monthly, they should suspend everyone's payments until they catch back up again, instead of keep taking money for something we're not getting straight away like we should do. But it is what it is. Do you know, we've got our box. I don't think there's going to be a time when we don't get our box. You can trust Craft Stash. They are a good company. I just think they have not handled this situation well, in regards to communication. Will they learn from it? I honestly don't know. Am I going to not take the next box? I'm going to keep taking my boxes. I like the boxes. I think they've done a survey to find out what we actually want in the boxes, so hopefully they will listen to the results of that survey and change things accordingly. I know there's a new designer, I think it might be the next box actually, is a new designer we've not had before, and I think people's frustrations before were that we were getting the same designers rolled over. I know that frustrated me, and I know I wasn't alone, other people said the same. So we will see, but I don't want to have a massive rant. I'm literally just kind of explaining why there was a delay to people who don't realise, and also just having my 2 pence worth. That's what I think. I think honestly they should suspend taking any more payments off of people until they catch up, but there are some people who have paid for the year and that wouldn't really help. So, you know, the £10 gesture of goodwill, that was really, really nice. There is a free stamp set if you choose to take it. But, you know, it's here. We can play with it now. I think it's a really nice box and I think it was worth the wait. If I'm totally honest, I will see how these dies cut. That was my only beef with the last box, is the dies felt flimsy and bent when you were cutting them. So hopefully these ones will be better. Anyway, that's all I've got to say on the matter, really. I don't know what you feel. If you let me know in comments, it would be great to be able to have discussion with people about it. Right, I am going to stop wittering on now. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you have enjoyed seeing what's in the box. Thank you for listening to my little mini rant to get stuff off my chest. I'll be back soon with more videos, but for now, that's it. So thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.